So when it comes to controversial issues and researching them, we do have two resources here that are specific to that. They are Opposing Viewpoints and Contexts, and then SIRS Knowledge Source. Both are very good. Both have a lot of good information, and they have a lot of similarities in how they present that information. But I am a little more partial to SIRS Knowledge Source simply because of the way it's a little bit more user-friendly. This is what you see when you open up Knowledge Source. You'll see a lot of the categories, a lot of the issues are already focused on. They have spotlights on them simply because they are even more current or they've been recently updated. Or you can go down to different categories. So if you're interested in crime and punishment, you can see what topics are listed in that category. You could also just look at all issues, and you will see the full list of all the issues. You'll notice some of these have a star next to them. Those ones with a star break down into subcategories. So if we want to look at advertising, you'll see that the subcategories here include advertising in children, internet and mobile advertising, prescription drug advertising, and each one of these is its own issue within the topic of advertising. So let's look at advertising in children so you can see what a topic page really looks like. So this is an issue topic page. You'll get the name of the issue here, and then there's kind of an essential question here. This part is really important. When you're picking a topic, when you're picking an issue to research, you want to make sure that that issue is something that you are going to want to research about, and it's an issue that you fully understand. So anytime you go into a topic page, be sure to read this so that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So this is kind of your essential question. This is kind of what the issue truly is. Underneath that, you have viewpoints. And the nice thing about Knowledge Source here is that it kind of splits the ideas into two different viewpoints. So advertising restrictions would reduce unhealthy behavior. Advertising restrictions based on age violate consumer rights. So it kind of is looking at both sides of the issue, and it even has articles that go to either side of that issue. So if you have read this and you know this is what you want to do for your topic, for your issue, you can get an idea of one way or the other how you want to lean on that issue. And then underneath that, you have the full search results. You'll see here is the title. It'll tell you where the source came from. It'll give you a Lexile measure, that's your reading level, in case that is of importance to you. Other things you can do is you can sort by the source type. So if you're only interested in newspapers or you need to find a government document, this is where you can go ahead and do that. So again, once you're into an issue page, you do want to make sure you've read this. You do want to make sure you understand this before you go ahead and make the decision that this is going to be your topic.